Ni.
Apa Friday? Tambah kam duit lah, singkang am tas ni.
Kublai yepi, mangau Melvin Mukim, naka film Haling Kabneng. Nakumen ban pentip shepi, ba nginwan rab yang sashi sini ka film ha ususu tham auditorium naruga kapra tarik adu laipuai tarik ubenai jemang. Kipor kilong kanar baji mensngi, san baji janmiet, bat hanyo baji demiet. Kurmen banyak kendu biang yepi sashi sin.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka kot admission na kamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Haka step jong kalas ni ublay ka khat pratarik ujembang arata apun riu. Haka por khat wei beji min step. Kaladan ka jingja accident han riu mer apa Shillong. Haka lad ban let chamati langpang. Haka ni ka jingja ka Scooty ka badan ya registration number ML Ngut san Zen Khandai san iwe Khandai. Kabalanya da uba J nong bri arpusan snem karta. Kabawan na kithan nyaw mer kala Tynrah ya ka Bolero ka badan ya registration number ML Ngut san ki iwe not ar iwe. Kabanya daw ba larbok kurwar san penyos nam karta ka Bolero kadang mut banlet sa Shillong jong kasurong kaban her sha nyaumer Henry ka Scooty kabawan bet na kithan nyaumer kamla bante la kam shu na marbo nongnya ulapen her stat palat berkala Tynrah ya ka Bolero ha kani ka jingja arngut ki basyong ha ka Scooty kata uba J nong bri bat uba pi sotun ki badai na khat armer kala Mynsaw balapen kit yaki da ka 108 sa Civil Hospital Shillong kat ba uba lar borpat uba dina sadaw ula Mynsaw malumala na ki benta jong kakti ka Scooty bat kumju ru ka Bolero kila julor.
Oh, kena halma.
Pidan dukan marbam ndai compare la ka bared ka pidi harut surok ni ka bahe kum ki restaurant bat ki wei ni pishat roti shat cake bat ki wei na ka benta ka koi ka khya chong ki pat ba nong bam nong di pat ba phinyo ka jingshania naki pidan kam bandon de ka license ka papaka ka bala itho da ka an kata ka Food Safety and Standards Act arachar henriu link ba ka section lai phoi iwe kamde ka ba pinyo ka license pila ba na apply ko online link ba ko website foscas.fssai.gov.in da ka ba piha pan upload ru ikot kisla badan kam kat kum ka judging kam jong pi pila ru banyak kendo iki designated officers lani food safety officers ke badan ha ka office terekam jong u lani ka district medical and health officer habaro ke district ke badan ha megalaya latno tang ha is khasihers pila banlet bed ka office terekam jongki ka commissionerate of food safety ke badan halowa lachumya nakabenta ka kot kakya kinong bam nong di lawan Rashapi daga Commissionerate of Food Safety, Government of Meghalaya, Bat Balakrishnan daga Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.
are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.